Hi guys. Today I'm working on my Jeep TJ and I'll be installing a set of LED headlights. So let's get started. So I'm going to be installing a set of HawkGlow 7-inch LED halo headlights. The package comes with a set of full color instructions and of course the beautiful LED headlights. These have a separate high and low beam as well as the halo ring and built-in turn signal. They come with an adapter to fit other vehicles and extra wires to connect the turn signals and daytime running lights. The instructions seem pretty straightforward, so let's put them in. So I popped the hood so I can access the wires behind the headlights. Then starting with the left headlight, I removed the 3 screws holding the bezel ring using a T15 Torx screwdriver and pull off the ring. I then removed the ring from the right headlight as well. Next, I removed the 4 screws holding on the headlight retaining ring. Take off the ring, then remove the right headlight. Then the left headlight as well. Here we can see the old sealed beam headlight compared to the new HawkGlow LED headlights. Now I'm going to put the new headlight on the Jeep and make sure it's aligned properly before putting on the retaining ring and securing with the 4 screws. Then I put the bezel trim back on and secure that as well. Once again on the left side, I installed the new HawkGlow LED headlight. Lock it in place and install the trim. With the headlights in, it's now time to wire them up. So this old Jeep wiring is not pretty, but the factory headlight connector plugs right into the HawkGlow LED wiring. I don't plan on connecting the daytime running lights, so I'm going to trim and cap off the red wire. Then I'm going to use the supplied yellow wire to connect the right signal light. I already have LED turn signals on the TJ, so I'm going to connect the wire coming from the old signal lights, which already has a resistor connected, so the signals don't blink too fast. With the connections made, I'm going to test it out to see if it works correctly. So the low beam works, and the high beam, and the signal light works, but it's blinking quickly because I didn't connect the ground side of the resistor. I also noticed that the halo is not working, but it turns out that it's connected to the DRL circuit, so it looks like I'll have to connect that after all. So first of all, I'm going to connect the ground from the resistor to the ground from the headlight wires to solve the fast signal light issue. Now to activate the halo effect, I have the option of connecting the red wire to the DRL of the Jeep, which runs on the high beam circuit, or connect it to the low beams. And for now, I think I'm going to connect it to the low beam circuit because this is an off-road Jeep, and I like to be able to turn the lights off completely if I feel like it. So I'm going to tap the red wire into the purple-white wire of the low beams. And now let's test it out again. Okay, so now we can see a neat little startup sequence where the LEDs light from the bottom up before the halo turns on, which is pretty cool. And now to try the turn signal, which is flashing at the correct speed. So with this side working properly, I'm going to tidy up the wiring with some loom and tape and secure it so it doesn't get damaged when off-roading. And we're going to wire the left side the same way. First connecting the main headlight plug, then the positive signal light wire, then the negative signal light resistor wire to the headlight ground, then finally connect the red DRL wire to the low beam power wire. Now let's test the wiring out again. Okay, with everything working right, I'm going to tidy up the wiring on this side as well. And that's it, install complete. Now to wait for the sun to set. Well, let's compare the color and brightness of the old halogen bulbs and the new HawkGlow LED. The new lights look so much better and brighter. So let's try them out. Out on the road, the difference is obvious. The sealed beam headlight technology is over 80 years old and doesn't compare to the brightness and the vivid white of modern LED technology. The HawkGlow headlights light up the road much wider and further than the stock lights. The detail on the road is incredible, giving the ability to pick out objects on the road or shoulder much earlier, making it for a much safer drive. The LEDs also consume less power, which will reduce the load on the Jeep's charging system. These headlights and many other styles are available from HawkGlow.com, and if you use coupon code NHBH, you'll save 15% off your order. Well, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.